government. Kidhi, for example, Homabay, ibiro yudo ni 54% mar pesa ma dhi Homabay dhi wage bill. Dhi wage bill kanyo gidonjo ka giwacho niya wage bill ni malo. Seche mane gidonjo ne giyudo ka wage bill was 36.2 from Norwegian bed standard of 35. But gidhi giyudo ka en 36.2. Sano said it to 54%. This means niya giriembo jomoke tich. Then iriembo ng'ato job group J, tiriembo indiko ng'ama chielo in a higher job group. Nikech gin gi friends. Kidhi in this government, momiyo Senator Kajwang should summon Gladys Wanga together in that committee. Mondo explain nango momiyo. One gi more than 50 directors in the county government of Homabay. Moko onge kata office bedo metie yien ni director. Moko ok nyandiko kata nying-gi. To ndigi gichulo gi level ma director. Anyisi adieri, and that is the truth. Then, iyudo niya jok mondik ni directors gi. Apart from directors, you see advisors mokalo 21. Ma advice, moko advice a support, moko advice a romantic look, moko advice. So the thing is, kai ni governor ma ok nyal understand kata sport nyakibedi gi advisor. Then why do you have CC member for sport? Mana kama doke ito dedi. Ka wan get government department ma in the wisdom of the Constitution and the County Governments Act. No one knew about at least 10 CEC members. These 10 CEC members give policy formulation. Policy formulation failed to be your advisor. Minister of Education and Early Childhood Development. Then Okonyala advise him and another 4 people ma advise you on the same sector. Minister of Transport and Infrastructure and Chief Officer in that same department. Then it's a 4 advisors on that area. Then it's a another 6 directors. Ni director moro chung ne tingini. Director moro chung ne kaki payo lakandara. Then wage bill end up no better more than development. And then this is why Kiwinja location ma development. Homabay County and Achilkum counties ma allocate money as sherehe mara ninam mara kia ceremony mara kia CIDP County Integrated Development Plan. See, County Integrated Development Plan, any basic plan from which annual development plan bedo picked, and from which annual appropriation bill bedo picked.
Yes.
Ki in the CIDP wachoni wadu watimo ma. And kami CIDP maroma bay ma nyochako this period mara government CIDP is a 5-year plan. And when you see gik ma CIDP wacho. In this, and that is the same with Uchilo, another problem in Mioni. And the same with other 4 counties. We need to look at this thing. Sharon, we need to look at our government, my county. Kama samomoro wangwana robi ni sirikal mana robi ni problem. Problem to turu one more than 12 billion mitero Homabay. To end up no nyumore e chulo misara marjok mane form campaign team mar government.